Hey everybody and welcome. Today I have SOUNDCORE and Space One headphones, and today I'm going to tell you how you can easily install it up for your iPhone and how you can easily set up this application. So first we have to enter App Store, and here we have to enter search. In the search bar we have to search for SOUNDCORE. SOUNDCORE and search. Here, as you can see, we have this application from Power Mobile Life LLC, and here we have to tap this. You will here, for example, have here get button, so you have to tap this get button. If you have the cloud button, click cloud button. But if you have the get button, you have to authorize yourself using the Face ID or Apple ID password. Here now we have our application installed, so let's open it. Here, don't allow the notifications. Pardon me. Agree and continue. Here we can log into our account, but I will skip that process using the skip button in the top right corner. And here we have to allow for finding every devices. Now I do recommend to be paired with your headphones before this whole process, because as you can see now we have device found. Let's click connect. And here we have some wearing guides, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.